Howdy hi, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Nelson. You are in Math Group 2. So, let's go ahead and get moving on this. Now, you will need a couple of different things. 1, pencil. 2, your Math Group 2 work we do that we will write together. So remember, when I write, you write. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, so we are working on prime and composite. We're looking at factors and multiples, okay? Yours is going to start looking a little bit different because I want you to identify composites, factors, all of those things without having so much stuff that I give you. I want you to do it on your own. All right, so a little more independence, so to speak. All right, so let's go ahead. We always start with our name on the paper. So please put your name on the paper so that I know whose stuff I'm looking at and if you manage to get anything finished today. All right, so question number 1 is asking, which of the following are multiples of 2? And circle the ones that apply. And then you also have to prove it. So for this, you have to go through and decide. This is asking you 2 times something will equal 24. Well, will 2 times anything equal 24? Well, yes, it will. It will be 12. So 12 will equal 24. So this one is a multiple. So 24 is a multiple of 2. Okay? The next one, 25. 2 times anything equals 25. Well, if we go back here and look, 2 times anything, let me scroll down here just a little bit. So if we look at it, 2 times, we have the 24. We don't have 25 because it should be somewhere right in here and there's nothing there. So that one will never be. This one will never be. So nope, not going to be it. Nope, not it. Okay? 80, will 2 times something equal 80? Well, yeah, I believe so. If I went over here, it would be, well, I know that 2 times 4, 2 times 40, because 2 times 4 is the 8, add the 0, it's going to be 80. All right, so 80 works. 17, let's look at it. Will 2 times, I'm going to move my picture here. Will 2 times something equal 17? Well, no, because 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 times 9 is 18. This will never work. And then 2 times something equals 90? Nope. Let's see if that'll work. Will 2 times anything equal 9? 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 5 is 10. Nope, nothing here. So this won't work. There are only 2 numbers that are multiples of 2, and that's 24 and 80. So you have to go through and ask yourself, does this multiplied by anything get those numbers below? You might have to back this video up a couple times and give this a whirl. This is not super easy. All right, so again, we're going to look at the same thing. We're going to look at which of the following are multiples of 10, and only circle the ones that apply. So again, it's asking you, is 10 times anything going to equal 26? Well, no, not ever. 10 times anything will never equal 26. Sorry, 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. Not gonna happen. Is 10 times anything going to equal 73? No. Is 10 times anything going to equal 3? No. Is 10 times anything gonna equal 51? Guys, you have to show me all of this work. No. Is 10 times anything gonna equal 81? No. None. None of these work. None work. None work. None of these work. Don't work. There are none that are multiples. You don't circle any of them. Okay. So, is 8 a multiple, meaning is 8 an answer? Is 8 a multiple? This means answer to 6. So, again, is 6 times anything going to equal 8? Nope. There is nothing times 6 that will ever get you 8. So, no. So you have to show me that. You have to tell me that there is no times 6 that will ever equal 8. Alright, so now the last one. This is, you guys already know how to do this because we did it with the T-chart. But I didn't give you the T-chart because I want to see you do it on your own. So, 22. And some kids do it this way. This is the way many of mine have done it. So they go, oh, okay, so 1 times 22 equals 22. 2 times 11 equals 22. 3, does 3 work? Let's take a look here. Let's see if 3 works. Okay, 3 times anything equal 22. Nope, that does not work. How about 4? Let's go look at 4. 3 doesn't work, so 4 does. Nope. 5 won't work. 6, does 6 work? 22, 22. Nope, 6 does not work. 7 does not work. 8 does not work. 9 does not work. 10 does not work. 11 works, but it's already there. It's already here because it's 11 times 2 here. So that one we've already done, so it's a flip-flop, so it's going to be composite because I have 2 factor pairs. Okay? Find all of them. This question right here is the same question as you did right there. They're the same question, I just didn't give you this part of it. I want you to do this part of it all by yourself because you are in group 2. You should be fairly capable of drawing your own T-chart and finding all the factor pairs and decide, hey, is that number prime or composite? Plain and simple. All right. If you have questions, if you have concerns, you need to let me know right away. When you're done with this sheet, done with this video, turn this in, grab your independent teacher work, and get going. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.